Welcome to Google Scholar. Same great look and feel as regular Google, but for scholarly evidence-based research. To get here, you're going to want to go to scholar.google.com. Make sure that you're logged into your Hackettstown Google account. It'll come in handy later. You can make sure you're looking for your icon in the upper right-hand corner. Building off of step 1 in the research paper process LibGuide step-by-step, we watched a video from the Lloyd Seeley Library where they showed you how to take your research topic and break it down into keywords. We're going to use that same topic about the wage gap for women in America, and we're going to use that in Google Scholar. You'll notice that the search results list is very similar to what you might find in a database. The first thing that appears on each of the records is the title of the scholarly article. It is in a blue hyperlink. Right underneath that in green is the author information and where the scholarly paper was originally published. Underneath that is an abstract or a summary of what the scholarly paper is about. You'll notice that on the left-hand side, you can sort by relevance. Relevance is when Google takes your keywords and decides through their algorithm which scholarly articles they best believe fits your keyword search. You can also sort by date. This will give you the most current articles at the top. This one came out 17 days ago. What you must do now is read through the titles and the abstracts to see if there is something that you might be interested in, something that fits your topic, answers your research paper question. You can decide to save an article to your library by highlighting the star. When you click on My Library on the right-hand side, it will show you all your saved articles. There's also citation help in Google Scholar. Click on the quotation marks, a separate box opens up, and it gives you citations in different formats. We use MLA here at Hackettstown. You would click on the citation, Control-C, and then you can paste it into your works cited document. You'll also notice that there is a cited by link. If you click on it, it will show you all the other scholarly articles that cited this particular paper in its research. Next to that is related articles. When you click on that, it will show you all the related articles that Google believes fits your search strategy. That's a quick tour of Google Scholar. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Domick in the library.